What is up, you guys? It's me again, Jeffrey Mondia, and welcome back to another vlog. What is up, you guys? It's me again, Jeffrey Mondia, and welcome back to another vlog. And today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Fujifilm or Instax Philippines. And just found out that I'm still going to be part of the Fujifilm fam for 2019. And I'm gonna show you guys what I just received from Fujifilm. This huge ass package. I already opened it kasi I did an unboxing on my Instagram stories already kasi hindi ako nakapag-antay. And ayun, I opened it and look, guys, here it is. Wait, I'll show you guys later. Basta basically ito, Fujifilm Instax Fujifilm Instax Share SP3 and the new Instax Square SQ6. And what I like about these guys is the new Square films that you can print easily with the printers and the camera. The square format. Ayan, nakalagay pala dyan. It is the new square format which gives you a more classic na effect on your photos, na it's not just gonna print out but it's already using this one. And then it also gave me a bunch of these films. Ayan. So basically, it gave me these ayun na I can use for my future posts. And ayun, I think I'm gonna open this one first kasi I already opened it. Ayun. What I like most kasi ito yung camera nila. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside and what are you gonna expect. I got the graphite gray, and ito yun siya. Basically, what you'll see first is the boxed and manual and the warranty receipt. Ano bang tawag dito? Warranty card that you will get in every Fujifilm product that you will buy. There's at least a year of 1 year warranty of your product. And if you guys are wondering where that is, pag nasa Davao kayo, it is in the Colors store in Abriza Mall sa 3rd floor. And ayun, first thing you'll see at the box, yan yung manual na nga. And also this Fujifilm strap, camera strap. Ito also these, ayun, the filters that you can use for the flash ng camera. Open it first. Hirap mag-one hand. Now I know I need a table dito sa station ko. But it's already inside. I actually put the battery na inside, and I tried using it once na, and it's really nice kasi ang ganda ng mas clearer yung photos this time. And yeah, square, yun na nga, square na siya. See? Look at that. What's wrong? Ayaw mag-focus ng camera. Ayan, nag-focus na. I got the graphite gray. There's 2 other colors. The gray na may matching brown, and also the silver one na may matching white. So basically, there's only 3. And I already put the film inside, and you can see there. And there's a lot of filters here. And also, as you can see, it's already broken, and I dropped it once, kaya yun, medyo nagre-regret ako. This part where you put the strap, yun, you put the strap, the batteries in here, remaining shots you can take here, and ayun nga, there's modes, and also the mode, to tell you the mode that you're in, and tapos yung eyepiece, and there's also a flash. And when you turn it on, medyo mas safer siya ngayon this time kasi there's like a switch over here, which is wala dun sa previous ko na Instax camera, na Instax Mini 9. You can actually see, look at that. And also the shutter is right here, so you won't accidentally click on it whether you're just holding it or it's in your bag. You can accidentally shoot a picture kasi may lock na siya dito. There's a lock and also the shutter is right here. Hindi siya iisang area. Kaya na nga. Just this one. Ayan. This is actually where you can put the filters na binigay nila. And I'm just gonna open one so you can see. It's actually for the filters of the flash. Para your photos will have art in it. Kasi, yun, nakita ko sa box niya, nakalagay. Yun, that's what will happen if you put the filters in. Yan na siya, naka na siya, may green na siya there. So let's move on to the Fujifilm Instax Share 3. And here, it is the smartphone printer. Basically, what this does is you can shoot on any device, like on your camera or yung Instax Fujifilm camera nyo talaga. You can send it on your phone and then you can print it out. Para medyo may option kayo that you can choose which photo you will print. And basically here, we open natin siya. Yung mas pinakong table. Ayan. What you will see is, I got the black one. It is the black Instax Share na may matching gold. Also on this one is you will see the manual, the warranty card, which you will again get in on every Fujifilm device that you will get. Ayun. Also inside is the battery, the cord, and also this one. I don't know what this is. I think it's for the ink or something. We'll see later. Here's the Fujifilm SP3 Instax Share 3. Ayun. And I'm gonna put the battery inside. It's so nice, and I like the matte finish niya. Tingnan nyo. And finally, bati kasi I was pressured to separate from kung ano yung uso, what was the trend. That's why I chose different colors of the Instax. So this time around, I picked itong black na pati yung camera para matching sila. And here, what you'll see first, yun na the matte finish, and then also the name and also the shape, medyo kakaiba siya. And it's much wider, I think. Kasi last time medyo payat siya. It's much wider, and yun, I'll put the battery in. Kasi ito yung cord niya. There. And what I like is lithium yung battery niya, which is hindi mabilis malubat and rechargeable siya, unlike the Instax cameras na nalulubat pa rin siya. And there you go, you just print it out there. I-connect nyo na lang siya. You'll just connect it on your device on Wi-Fi, tapos you can just download the Instax Share app, and then ayun, you can just print this out. Film come out or the photo come out, and then may indicator siya also of how many shots you can still, or how many films that's already inside. The print button there, tapos here on the other side there's on switch. Yan, example. Yun. And now it says it's still got like basically 9 shots pa kasi I just printed one. And also the battery, kung low-bat na siya, it's turning red now. Kung low-bat na siya, I need to reprint. So that's basically it. And also what I got from them is the tons and tons and tons and tons, a year supply of film. And also they gave me other options, yung white or black one. Ayun, you could show this one. These one. And yun. And here's an example of the photo that I shot or I printed on the Instax Share. Here. I actually shot this on my Fujifilm X-T10 and edited the photo on my phone, and then ayun, I printed it out. Pretty cool and square na siya this time. So ayun, much cooler, much vintage look. And I like the details now of the photo kasi mas clear na yung photo on print kasi dati really blurry. Photos are not that focused on the prints before, and now very much detailed na siya, just like the one on your phone. And I shot this on my Fujifilm X-T10, and ayun, very much clear pa rin siya, and the quality of the photo not decreased, or mukha ba? Decreased. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering bakit. It's been a while since I've uploaded, and I got pretty much busy with work, with my business, and ayun, traveling, so I didn't have much time to film, and I just took those time to focus on my backlogs kasi medyo marami rin yung backlogs ko on the vlog and also my requirements on Instagram, tapos yun na adulting life, so medyo busy din, and I just wanted to do an update on my channel, so that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also don't forget to visit my blog, jeffreymondia.com. Bye!